Good morning, everyone. 39 and not currently raining. I'm so excited. It's not even windy out here. Good morning, boys. Morris let me come near the doghouse yesterday and didn't run out. It would be good if he didn't feel the need to be, 20 feet away every time I'm near. I haven't given up on petting him, but I'm not pushing it. Did you get your cardboard all loaded up in the GMC?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, that cardboard's so much fun.
Well, we both do enjoy our Amazon stuff. Wow, I see in a picture out of Texas this morning, and it looks like 6 to 8 inches on the ground.
Oh,
and
snow.
Yeah, our friend that lives there said it looks like Iowa, not Texas.
Wow.
One time, during the time I've lived in North Carolina, which is since 1979, we had 21 inches. And they didn't know we were going to get 21 inches. I think we were supposed to get a couple inches, and then something happened overnight, and we woke up, and I mean, literally, it was, I have a yardstick down in the snow, and it was 21 inches. That was, we weren't able to go anywhere for 7 days. We don't have enough snow plows. We have more snow plows now than we did. Do you remember what year that was?
I think it was 2000.
Yeah. Don says he thinks he knows about all of the bad weather we have because he's never here when we have it.
Yeah, I was back when I was on the road 100% of the time, and I was stuck out in San Francisco.
Stuck,
yeah.
yeah, Visa, enjoying all the sights in San Francisco.
Right, yeah, really tough
I'm sure it was so hard on you.
Although I have to say, I ended up canceled that mid-month trip home. So I ended up staying in San Francisco the entire month of January, and I was very happy to leave because I see what happens. You hear about this people with the misty. It's like this all the time, except for it's misty and it's gray.
Well, that's why
I didn't see the sun for an entire month. It wasn't super cold. It was damp, misty, and cloudy, and I never saw the sun for a month, and it got to be very depressing.
I've been a lot of places, but not Seattle. But I imagine that this weather we're having with the clouds and the gray is very Seattle-like, Vancouver-like. It's very, we're just having, yeah.
Yeah, I agree. All righty, I got to
conference call again.
Yeah. Well, he's going to help me through this last setup thing.
All right. It's supposed to be really warm here tomorrow, so I'm expecting some more movement on those daffodils opening. I keep hearing the hawks. I got to make sure Tux doesn't trip me. I keep hearing the hawks, but I'm not seeing the kind of activity here off the driveway at the 2 prior nest sites, so I'm a little worried they're nesting farther away from the house, but still along this creek bed here. They love frogs to feed to their young, and they're not going to move away from this water source. But I am worried they're going to not be close enough for me to film video this spring, and that would be a great disappointment to me. Nothing I can do about it, though. Yeah, there's, I can walk in there this time of year if I knew where the nest was, but I certainly can't be doing that later on when, the babies would be up on the tree limb later in the summer. Too many ticks, too much poison ivy, briars, snakes. I mean, that's pretty dense in there. It is what it is. But I monitor every morning, and I heard them today already, but they're not nearby. Really, they ought to be making such a racket that, it's annoying almost. Come on, buddy, let's go. He stopped because he was bothering Gray. And I really want him to get the maximum benefit out of this walk, too. Need to wear him out so he doesn't feel like going up the hill and bothering Morris. You knocking a door? You gonna leave her be? Hey, Slate. Where you headed? Where you headed? He's on a mission. Who are you gonna get? Very effective. He just looks at them and they run to the garage. Are you gonna help me with my Legos again today? You two? Help me with my Lego project? This is probably all I'm gonna do on the mineral shop today. because I don't have all the right color parts, and I don't even have a couple of parts, and I think some of them are coming and some of them I may need to order, so I'm going to spend a few minutes to check that out. But yeah, that's what I've worked on this morning. You can see the arches going up now, and I also pulled a bunch of my white bricks and put them in this last empty container I had, so it'll be easier to pull since so many of these parts are white. It should really simplify things for me going forward on this particular house. I'm in Ruby and I'm headed to play Pokemon Go. I'm cold, she's cold, I think everybody's kind of cold. Seat heater to the rescue. I've got 201 miles. I am going to turn on the heat, baby. I don't care how many watt hours per mile I use this trip. I'm just going to get toasty in here. Yeah, 74 kind of toasty. Need to turn that seat heater on though. I don't know why it's off. Yeah, let's do that. Well, there's just a couple cars at the environmental park. Ruby says it's 45 degrees. It feels like 38. It's so damp and out there. It's actually a little misty. Yep, another one of those gray February days. Town is busy for a Monday afternoon at 4 and really lousy weather. I would stop in Guardian Angel probably and look around because that's not a very far walk. But yeah, these guys are all speeding right out here where the cops always pulling people over. You guys go for it. You just go. That's fine with me. As I was saying, the weather's kind of nasty and I would stop at Guardian Angel if I could, but it's Monday and they're closed. Michelle and I are thinking we're going to meet up Thursday morning this week. I'm at South Park. I wonder what's going on over here. Hey! Hey, Donnie! Yeah, apparently they're going to be doing COVID testing here. They were doing it up Jed Parkway at the Wake County, I don't know what to call that building, but services building. And so I don't know why here at South Park now. There's an Umbrian at the old Bob Barker building, which is now Town Hall. So guess where we're headed for a 9 p.m. little mini date. Yeah, date time. I'm sure that's what Don's thinking. Not. Hey, Donnie. Date time.
That's right.
Mission accomplished. Umbrian caught on 3 accounts, made 3 new in-game friends, and helped 3 other in-game friends. So people are happy with me. And Tux, who I had in the house, he's settled back in his bed. There is a heating pad up there too. He's just not directly on it like in the hutch. He should be happy. It's not super cold right now. Yeah, it's 44. That rain and clouds is holding in the heat.